Hello and welcome everyone. In the last talk I discussed about chronic venous congestion of liver, and in this I will try to explain how to draw a histological diagram of CVC liver. In CVC liver, the most important points regarding the gross and microscopy, that is the morphology, were that in gross the appearance of liver is like a nutmeg. The cross section of the liver, it shows the alternate reddish and pale areas. The congested areas, they appear red, and the areas with viable hepatocytes and with fatty changes, they appear yellow. So gives a nutmeg appearance. So this is the most important point regarding the gross of CVC liver. And in the microscopy, you need to understand two things: that the more affected area is the centrilobular region, because the obstruction is either in the hepatic vein or inferior vena cava, or there is right heart failure. So the region of central vein, which is nearer to these, it gets more affected. And in the region around the central vein, that is the centrilobular area, that will have hemorrhagic necrosis. The central vein and the sinusoids, they will be distended with blood because of the obstruction, and the centrilobular hepatocytes will show degeneration and necrosis. While in the peripheral area, the area which is near the portal tracts, they will show normal viable hepatocytes, and also the hepatocytes may show fatty change. So these are the most important points of CVC liver. Now we shall understand how to draw the diagram of CVC liver. So we start with the making the central vein. So first we make the central vein, which is lined by the endothelial cells, and around the central vein there is the centrilobular area. So we have to make pinkish granular area of necrosis, because in the centrilobular region there is hemorrhagic necrosis, and we can draw the outline of certain hepatocytes, but basically they are all necrosed. And then we should also show the RBCs, which are extravasated. So the RBCs are shown by this red color, and then there we can make sinusoids lined by the endothelial cells, and again they will be distended with the RBCs, which we draw with a red pen. In central vein, the lumen will show RBCs. Now in the peripheral, we will make hepatocytes which are viable, as well as the hepatocytes which are showing fatty change. So in the viable hepatocytes, there will be central bluish nucleus. The cell will be round and it will have abundant pink cytoplasm. These are the viable. While in the hepatocytes showing fatty change, the nucleus will be pushed to the periphery, and the cytoplasm will be it will be empty. It will have no cytoplasm because of the presence of fat. So in this way we make the hepatocytes in the peripheral region, some showing the fatty change and some which are viable. In this way, these are the viable hepatocytes. In the fatty hepatocyte, we leave the cytoplasm as white in color, because the fat does not get stained by the H&E stain. Now in the central part, we can show this pinkish granular area of necrosis along with congestion and extravasated RBCs. So these are the two regions we should show, and after that lastly we will draw the portal tracts. So in the portal tracts, we draw hepatic artery, portal vein, and a bile duct. Bile duct will be lined by the cuboidal cells, and which will have a rounded nucleus, while the hepatic artery and portal vein, it will be lined by the endothelial cells, which will be flattened. So this is the lumen of bile duct, while this is the lumen of hepatic artery and portal vein, lined by the flattened cells. And we can show RBCs in the vascular channels. So in this way we draw the portal tracts, and the remaining part we fill with the hepatocytes. So clearly you can see two types of hepatocytes, one are viable and other with a fatty change. In the last, we'll do the labeling. So this is the congested central vein and congested sinusoid. And sinusoids which are congested. These are the viable hepatocytes which are seen in the peripheral region, in the outer zones, and this is the hepatocyte showing the fatty change. And these are the portal tracts in the hepatic lobule. So this is how we draw the diagram of CVC liver. Thank you very much.